Tribe, welcome back. Got another weekly video for you. Today we're going to do a breakfast recipe. We're going to eat overnight oats. I've had some friends say, hi Naija, what can I eat for breakfast? Does it include dairy and butter and all that stuff? What do you do? What's portable? What's quick? So that's what I've got in store for you guys today, so stay tuned. So the reason why I love the overnight oats recipes because it is totally customizable. I have a slew of allergies, so I don't put bananas and nuts and all that kind of stuff in my oats, but if you like that for breakfast and you want a good pick me up, that's awesome. You can totally do that. So today we're going to start with a base recipe and then you can customize the toppings to your liking, so it's really customizable. Our ingredients today, we have a half cup of oats. We'll use about a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. We'll use a nut butter or seed butter of your choice, and today I'm going to actually try cookie butter. Cinnamon, of course, and if you've watched my videos, you know how important cinnamon is. The superfood chia seeds, and a 1/2 cup of plant milk of your choice. You all know I love my flax milk, so I have a 1/2 cup of flax milk here. And then, as always, we store it in a mason jar. So basically, you just do this at night before you go to bed. You dump all the stuff that you like in a jar, and when you wake up in the morning, breakfast is ready to go. So here we go, guys. Let's get started. Now we add all of our ingredients to the mason jar, starting off with a 1/2 cup of oats, about a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Mix it all together. I just have to make sure the cinnamon coats all of the oats. And then about 1/2 to 2 tablespoons of a nut or seed butter, or in this case a cookie butter. And then about a tablespoon of maple syrup, and that's only if you want it a little bit sweeter. This is optional. Once you do that, add in your plant milk of choice and shake. And that's it. Just put it in the refrigerator, wait for the morning, it's ready to go. You can eat it cold. I actually been eating it cold. But if you like hot oatmeal, just dump it into a bowl, put it in the microwave, and you're good to go. So versatile.